Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the ITER opcode in IBM I, a powerful tool for controlling loop. Let's explore how ITER works and when you might use it. ITER can be used within various loop constructs like do until, do while, and for in IBM I. Its purpose is to immediately transfer control to the loop's do or for statement. It specifically affects the innermost loop, ensuring that the next iteration of that loop is executed without delay. Let's look at an example to understand this better. Here, we have a for loop that iterates from 1 to 10. Inside the loop, we check if the current value of I is a multiple of 2 using the %rem function. When I is a multiple of 2, we encounter the ITER opcode. This immediately caused IBM I to jump to the end for statement, skipping the subsequent lines of code within the loop. Let's see the output of this code. As you see, the lines within the loop that follow the ITER opcode are skipped for values of I that are multiple of 2. This behavior ensures precise control over loop execution in IBM I. In summary, ITER in IBM I allows you to control the flow of loop iterations, particularly useful when you need to skip certain iterations based on specific conditions. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into IBM I and its powerful functionalities.